Welcome. In front of me is the Honor Magic V3, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so. This will reveal notifications and toggles. I think right. Oh no, make sure you do it from the right side, as it actually is divided. Now here you have a bunch of toggles. You want to swipe on this area down once more, and this will reveal more toggles, which one of those toggles will be the power saving mode, which you can see right over here. Once you click on it, it gives you this pop-up first time around. Deck mode will be enabled, always on display. Auto sync and some other functions will be turned off. Background app activity will be restricted, and visual effects will be reduced. I'm gonna select the checkbox right over here to don't remind me again, and I'm gonna choose enable. And this gives us kind of like a leaf and the battery right here to signify that it is right now enabled. Now the reason this might actually matter is because one of those things that will be changed is the connectivity. Now it didn't really deliberately say that it's going to do this, but that's usually how they work, and it's worded in some other way, like with the syncing specifically words. So what it refers to is when this mode is enabled after some time of inactivity, the device will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data, and because of that you won't be getting any kind of notifications from apps that would require internet connection. So obviously this might be a deal breaker for some people, so just know this is part of the power saving mode, and you can obviously turn that off at any time. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, to turn it off you just tap on a toggle once more, and this will revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.